We got some clearance deals, new lower prices at the Lowe's. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can make more to review videos, so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Alright, so to start here, we got this for $99. We got the go karts or the golf carts, off-road, however you want to call these. These are electric. The gas ones, they're less and less every time I come here. So you got LED lights, $899.99 down from $999, so $1,000 off on that. You got the Coleman electric golf cart, 2-year warranty, and then you got some nice upholstery here on the seats. Does have a nice roof and the infotainment. All right, so and then we got you are able to put a flat side once you put down the seats. And you got the Craftsman Universal 2-cycle oil for $1, and the Universal 6.4 ounce for $2.87. You got a replacement deck drive belts. So there's different ones. I'm not gonna go over all these, but there's different sizes. They're all on clearance. I'm pretty sure these are gonna drop even lower. Same thing with these. The filter from John Deere, single cylinder. The blades as well. They are on clearance. $24 down from $30.98. Husqvarna 22-inch. This one's $47. As you guys do see, there's a whole bunch. One-hand steering knob for $14. The covers here for $70 and $40. All right, so clearance. They do have this pressure washer. It is missing some parts as $341 down from $349. So if you guys got other parts, this is good. I'm pretty sure this is gonna drop even lower. I don't think nobody's gonna be buying this for just a few dollars off, especially if all the parts are missing. You got the Skill. Yeah, this is a new mower. They do have, well, actually not a new, but I've seen it. I haven't seen one of these before. I only seen one of them. They do have a self-propelled and a regular push. All right, clearance, more clearance. This is a killer deal for this. Dual fuel inverter generator, 4,500 watt for $299 down from $599. Says special order return. So my guess is the guy just did not like it. Maybe it was too big for him, or just inconvenient of carrying it around. But it is a dual fuel, so these are really nice. Definitely check it out. It does have that 30 amp outlet, RV outlet, 120 volts, and then it does have the regular house outlets there. And then some information, the wattage and the choke, battery on and off, dual fuel selector. So, and then we got another mower. This is a Craftsman mower on clearance for $335 down for $419. 21-inch front wheel drive, 150 cc. So this one's $335. And then we have this one. This one's a little bit nicer. It does have a little bit more stuff. $390 for that one. Speed lock insert, $4 down from $11. Now these are just depending on your likings. What do you like to have with your weed whacker? You got the ugly twist, $6. This is 0.095, so it's a little bit thicker for the gas maybe. 0.08, 0.065, and 0.80. So definitely jump on these guys. Stock up on these for the summer, basically for the spring. $79 down from $99 for the 20-quart hard cooler. And then it's basically like a Yeti style. So my guess is it is reduced on the inside, but it is well isolated. So pretty nice. And then you got the regular Igloo, 24-quart or 17-quart, $11 down from $24. Not too bad. And then they got the waterproof shoe covers. Those of you that work in construction or going to customers' homes in service. You got the Yellowstone 2-piece barbecue tool set, $23 down from $29. This is really nice. I just wish it was a little bit lower. Next time I'll buy it if it's lower. PVC black boots, size 10. So you got some nice boots there on discount, $47 down from $59. 11-quart Igloo, a little bit nicer than the other one. And then you got this rolling one, $24 down from $49. So it's pretty nice. It does have some bigger wheels and nice handle on the front. So pretty nice. You got some DeWalt sanding kits. They do come with batteries and chargers. These are down to $119 from $149. Does come with the 4 amp hour battery, so it's a pretty good deal. 75% off. I'm almost up to 75% off on regular price. All right. So and then they got another deep cup organizer, 23 down from 29. This is cobalt. This is actually pretty nice. All right, some fridges we found. This one's 3,059. This one's down to 1696, so just about half off. Still in the packaging, so brand new basically. 596 down from 1199 for this Samsung washer. Not too bad. And then we got some windows on clearance. So if you guys are doing remodels and you guys got rental properties, same thing with the appliances and the windows, definitely jump on these. You got the counter sneeze guard. This one's 37 down from 149. It's a good deal on that one if you have a store or restaurant. You got a Craftsman truck box light. $6 already sold out. You got some tie downs. $12 down from 27. This is 2-pack. And then you got these guys. These are general purpose cutting set oscillating 21 piece, 31 down from 39. But if you guys check beside, we got this. This is a killer deal. 40 piece, $11 down from 14. This is the oscillating blade set. Not too bad. It's actually pretty good. But this one's pretty good because I use most of the 2-inch bits. That's why I decided to grab this one. Especially when I do tool testing for you guys. This is the ones that I use the most. $239 down from $279. This is a ratchet with the power stack battery. And then you got the impact wrench for $279 down from $349. It's the high torque impact wrench. One of the newer ones. $89 for the drill. $89 for the impact driver. $179 for the impact wrench. So the very budget friendly. You got the flip socket kit, $17 from $24. It's not bad. It does come with several different sockets. They are labeled in colors, very easy to see. You got a 48-piece mechanics tool set here, $51 down from $64. It is our 1/4-inch mechanics tool set. It's pretty nice. $79 from $99. And then you got several other ones I'm not going to go over, but those are the prices. So definitely keep an eye out on these. I'm pretty sure they're going to drop even lower. $83 for the socket set. It's not bad. At $69 down from $99. So $30. Whole whopping $30 off on that one. So that's pretty good. 30-piece drive bit set clearance for $19 down from $24. So $5 off on this one. They do have a few of them down at the bottom. They do have that right angle adapter. So definitely jump on that one. That was a really good deal. $20. You got this Delta miter saw stand. This is a really nice miter saw stand. $219 down from $249. Heavy duty. And then you got the miter saw. This is a Metabo laser miter saw. Slider and 12-inch. $349. And then you got the Pony sawhorses. They do include the clamps and everything. So 2-pack sawhorse. $99 down from $139. Alright, so you got some blades there. $24. And I seen these same as the 12-inch for $24.98. So definitely jump on them, stock up on them. You got the Ceviche 7-foot fillet knife or 7-inch fillet knife, $14 up from $24. This is good if you guys like fishing and all that. If you guys like to eat fish. We have a whole wall, a whole rack filled with clearance. Yes, all these bags are filled with clearance. $11 down from $14. That's what it sounds. That's what it looks like. Utility pocket knife, $13 down from $14, and then you got $15 down to $12.77. That's for that parts. And then we got some more bags over here. Accessories, $26 down from $29 for the 14-inch, and then we got these tough build, $51. Massive mouth bags from $64. So $51 down from $64, $63 down from $79. Tool backpack Cobalt Pro. So this is not bad, and it does have a nice rubber bottom there. You got 71 down from 79 rolling 14-inch tool bag from Cobalt. And then you got this other bag or tote, electrician's tote, $39 down from $49. And then we have this $26 down from $29.98 12-inch totes. So there's a whole bunch. I know I'm losing my breath here. Here's some more. We're not done yet. $33 down from $36. This is toolbox here. It is a structural foam box, 23-inch. I remember seeing this at the store. We did not see it. Craftsman 24-gallon chest, $68 down from $75. So that's not bad. It's pretty good. $33 down from $41. 26-inch toolbox from the Craftsman Pro. $15 down from $16 from 16-inch toolbox. Here's another one. This is all metal toolbox. This one's $55 down from $65. 3-drawer Craftsman toolbox. You got a trade stack tote here, $71 down from $89. Craftsman trade stack Pro. And then we got a screwdriver, 13-in-1 bits, $6.67 down from $15.98. That's actually pretty good. Double drive. And then you got some channel locks here, $19.77 down from $32. 8.75 inches. And then we got some more Airwin 8-inch linesman pliers, $13 down from $22.98. We got some toolboxes, yes, same as the other store, but a little difference. $229 down from $269 and $269 down from $3. So, and it does have that power strip there, pretty nice. Especially this blue one's really nice. $498 for the whole thing, $279 for the bottom, $219 for the top. So pretty good deals on those. And then we got this organizer. This is actually a pretty nice from Carter. This is $31 down from $34. It is on the clearance. It is pretty heavy duty on that. You guys looking into the smart device section. This is great for the shop. Keep some music rolling, some tunes. Even these Fire Sticks for the, keep a TV on the shop, in the garage. $29. These are all clearance prices. And safety or security cameras to keep those tools safe, right? Definitely want to keep that safe. There's a whole bunch. This one's $39. This one's a Hawk 3 Wi-Fi. And then we got this one a little bit cheaper, $19.99. All these run with the Google Assistant and Alexa. And then we got the Spider. These are oscillating blades, and this is the pack right here. There's 2-inch blades, 5-piece, not bad. All right, we got the Flex. This is a buy one get one free. So you buy the starter kit, 5-amp starter kit, or 4-tool combo kit, you get a free gift. This store did have quite a stock in the Flex. I know the previous stores did not. So $183 down from $229. This is a newer stack lithium. You got this one in clearance, $79. That's for a drywall cutout tool. $199 down from $229 for the turbo drill. Guys, that's it for today. I know there was a lot to go through, a lot of clearance. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.